a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place could be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you'll feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me. And in time and place, there are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. If we try, you know why. There's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this place we cannot feel no dread. Stop existing and start living. That it feels it always. Love's enough for us growing. Make a better world. Make a better world. Heal the world. Make it a better place for you and for me. And in time and race, there are people dying. If you care enough for living, make a better place for you and for me.
And the dreams that were conceived and well, we feel a joyful faith. And the world we once believed in will shine again in grace. Then why do we keep strangling life as it burns like a fire soul? That it's plain to see this world is heavenly. Because